Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the new fire Pokemon Fuecoco. So Fuecoco is one of the three new starter Pokemon recently released, and if you want to know how to draw the other two, you can find that on this channel as well. So let's get started drawing Fuecoco. I'm going to start with Fuecoco's mouth. So we're going to make a line like this. It's slanting upwards. And then we're curving like that. And right here, we've got two triangles. Like that. And I'm going to bring this line down just a little bit further. And now I can do one of his eyes. So it is a oval shape. And his other eye, we're going to put right here. And we're going to do another oval inside those shapes. Okay, and now back to the mouth area. Underneath those two triangles we did, we're gonna draw a little curve. It connects to right there. And it's gonna come on down. And we're gonna curve a little bit. You see how it's not going straight down? We're starting to curve. Like that. Now I'm going to come on up, and just above the eyes we're going to make a little hill and come downwards a little bit, and then come on up, and then come downwards a little bit again, like that. And now right here underneath those two triangles we're going to make a tooth. So this is kind of like a triangle shape too. Or kind of like a wide V. And at the top right here, in between those two hills we've got, we're gonna do a shape like this. We're gonna come on up, and then come on over, and come on back in. And then we're gonna do another shape like this, but it's gonna be smaller. So we can come on up, go across a little bit, and come on back down. Like that. And now let's finish off the mouth. So, let's see. We're gonna do a little point right here. So if you tilt your page, you got a V shape. And right here we're gonna put another tooth. So this one's gonna look like this, that kind of shape. And then the mouth curves in past that tooth. And it's curving. And it's going to meet right here. And we're gonna do another tooth right here. It's gonna be another triangle. And we're gonna put a tongue in there. So we're gonna do a wide turn right here. He's got a tongue. And right here by this tooth, we're gonna come out a little further and down a little teeny tiny bit. And we're gonna do a little hand. So his little hand goes down like this, and then we're gonna come on up, and go down again, and come on up again, and then we're gonna curve, and then do the same on this side. So this is a little hand, and it kind of looks like a tulip. And now over on this side, we'll do his other one. And let's see, do a shape like this and do his 3 little fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and then come on in this way. So this one's kind of like a sideways tulip. Now, right here, we're gonna do his belly. Ooh, sorry if you could hear that. That was my phone vibrating. Looks like I just got a text. All right, so let's continue. And right here, we're gonna put a foot. So I'm curving down a little bit like that. And putting his little belly line right here. And I'm going to give him a great big, I guess like a toenail kind of thing, a foot claw. We'll go with a foot claw. So that's also kind of like a triangle shape. And he's got another one, same shape, like that. And then we go further a little bit, and then we can come on up. And right here in between his hands, he's got a little square shape. You see how it's kind of just sitting on his belly, on his chest. So I kind of drew it so that it worked with that shape. So I didn't do a perfectly straight square. I kind of curved my line here, kind of curved my line a little bit there. And so now it looks like it's actually on his belly. Okay, and over here, we're gonna do his other foot. So we can come on down a little bit. And let's work on those toenails, toe claws. There's one, and another one. And then we'll come across and come up. And we're getting there. We're not quite done yet. We're going to put a little line right here that kind of meets at that square. And it's going to go across right there. And up top here, we're going to come on down. And we're getting a little bit wider as we're going. And he needs a tail. So he's got a little pointy tail, and it just connects there to where that foot is. And this line we've got here, this top of the line here, we're going to bring that to the tip of the tail, like that. Okay, and on the tail, he also has another one of these little squares. So we can't see it very well, but we can just see a little bit of it. So we'll just put a little bit there. And I think that's it for our drawing. I think it's time to color now. So I'm gonna go over it with a black marker to kind of make them pop a little bit more, and then I'll go in with some coloring. Alright folks, so we are finished our drawing. I think he turned out pretty cute, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Alright, so I hope you had fun drawing along with me today. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodles. Alright everyone, bye!